Hi, my name is Gage Steven. I'm the district manager for the Sherwin-Williams Paint Company here. First time being out at the Builder Bash. We got 3 activities for the kids. We're building a brick wall in the back here. We also have a paint by numbers station and also an airless spray pump that our sales manager, Benny Kimball, is safely teaching how to use. Happy to be here.
I'm Martisa Cooper. I'm an admissions counselor here at Butler, and so I'm just outside today. We're having our Builder Bash, which we do annually. It's a great way for students to learn about construction, and they've gotten a lot of hands-on activities, so they're learning about what it's like to be in construction and how much they could make with income and just the potential of what they could do when they grow up.
Hey, my name is Caleb. I'm with Evergy, and I work out of El Dorado, and we're here today giving bucket rides in our bucket truck, and we also have one of our other trucks here that we use to set our poles and maintain our power poles.
Hi, my name is Andy Hoffman. I'm with GTG Peterbilt in Wichita, Kansas. We're here at the Builder Bash, our second year supporting our students, and it's our opportunity to talk about our partnership with Butler Community College for future technicians, and an opportunity to show the kids about what it's like to be a truck driver in the commercial trucking industry.
My name is Micah Lewis. I'm with Junior Achievement, and we're here talking with the kids about how to explore a career and think about their personality and think about how do I get into the job that I want and what kind of education do I need, and so we're trying to equip them as best we can so they can be successful down the road.
I'm Rich Noy with Sleep in Heavenly Peace. We are here today with these great young folks, and we're building beds. Every bed we build today will get a kid off the floor in Sedgwick and Butler County. I'm just really excited to be here again. This is our second year, and we're glad to be back.
I'm Misha Moore. I'm with Professional Women in Building, and we're with the Wichita Area Builders Association, and we've got a group of gals here. We do everything from lending in the industry to interior design to real estate to lumber to builders. We set up an obstacle course for the kids today, and they get to go through the obstacle course and put together like tile with spacers, snap some floor together, read some blueprints, and then cap some wires, and they race each other sometimes to get candy at the end. Professional Women in Building, we've been involved since they started it, I believe, 3 or 4 years ago. We are always happy to come and play.
Pete Myers here with Liberty Communities. I'm here at the Builder Bash 2026 at Butler County Community College. What we have is a bunch of middle school kids from the Wichita surrounding area. We're having them have hands-on experience with plumbers, electricians, sheetrock guys. They got a nail driving station over there too to kind of show them some different jobs and different things that they could do within our profession.